You got me. My name's David Bainbridge. I'm 33 years old and I grew up in Grand Blanc, Michigan. I'm really hands-on with stuff. I like to fix things a lot. Usually people bring me their stuff to repair if it gets broken, a lot of stuff with wiring. So this is a really nice thing for me to do. I build computers. My wife, I built her a computer. It's a liquid-cooled machine. So that's quite a proud moment for me. She's really proud to show that off to a lot of her friends. So.
How long have you been married?
2 years now. We have a son together, Miles, and a daughter, Rosalind. Well, my previous employment was with Champion Bus out in Imlay City. Their factory shut down, so I was out in the market looking for anything that had to do with wiring or harnesses, because that's my previous knowledge base, so here I landed. Okay, I'd give myself a B, you know. The honest truth is the home-cooked meals on Wednesdays. That's my favorite part of the job so far. But as for the job itself, really just the detail-oriented work of it, making sure it's, you know, it's not a fast-paced job. You're making sure it's a precise job, so you do a good job. My first job was a floor layer. I'm not sure the proper term for that, but I laid floors back when I was 15 years old. And then my worst job, I worked for a packaging company creating cardboard boxes. Yes, from scratch. Like from paper, and then it goes through the steamer, and then turns into corrugated cardboard, and then gets stamped with a die to turn into a box that is shaped, and then bent into the box, and then glued into the box, and then shipped as a box. I like to play a lot of video games. I like to play disc golf in the summertime. Build computers like I spoke on earlier. I'm really technology oriented. Anytime there's a new piece of technology out, I try and get my hands on it to play with it. I just got an Xbox to play with my kids, so having a good time with it. It'd be really nice to see how exactly a plane stays in the air. I understand the science of it, but the technology behind it is something else.